you doing? I got a mail call. I got a mail call here. Yeah, mail. See, mail. 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 And this comes from Vinny at BLC Woodworking. Vinny at BLC Woodworking. Yeah, thanks, Vinny. I got a sticker from BLC Woodworking. Yeah, buddy, cool. I'm not putting anything up right now because I'm still trying to get my board situated. But when I get all the board situated and get all my new stickers put up on the board, I'll do a big to-do about all the stickers put up on the board. But right now, BLC Woodworking, Vinny. Thank you, Vinny. Yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, he wrote me a note. But the notes are going to be personal from now on. Personal notes. Private. VLC Woodworking. Go check him out. He's a great channel. He's an awesome guy. Great personality. He's very informative in what he his craft and his stuff. He's a woodworker for the most part. He does other things too, but for the most part he's a woodworker. And yeah, he's very informative in what he teaches and what he shows, and he's a phenomenal artist. So go check him out, VLC Woodworking. Thanks, Vinny. I appreciate the sticker, buddy. I'm glad you got what I sent you and all that whatnot. And stay blessed, my friend.